Warning, this video contains a lot of strong language from my mouth, so if I was your parents, I wouldn't let my kids watch this video. Viewer discretion is advised. Yeah! Guys, it's storming outside, and the electric's out, which means I have no power. All the lights are out, and I'm scared. Please, fans out there, my subs, give me some support. I'm scared of the dark. I can't be like this. The storm is scaring me. It's thundering. It's lightning, and it's raining. I can only stand here because there's no way you can see me. There's a light from the window. Everything else is it's just pitch black. I could have went and got me a candle, but I didn't feel like it. I'm scared. Well, I could think of something to talk about while I'm standing here with no electric. I could talk about Daniel Bryan or something. Yeah, WWE's giving him this big push. He's gonna face John Cena at SummerSlam, but I already know what's gonna happen. John Cena's gonna beat Daniel Bryan. Daniel Bryan's not gonna become the WWE champion. It's just fucking bullshit. The WWE's just beating you all, brainwashing you to think that Daniel Bryan's getting a big push. He's not gonna be the next star. He's not gonna be the next big star. He's not. He's just gonna be a jobber. Vince McMahon doesn't see anything with Daniel Bryan, so Daniel Bryan just don't have that Superman look to him, and that's why he's not gonna be the next big star to WWE. I'm so scared. Maybe you can sing a song or something. I don't know any songs. Let me think of a song. Little pony, please don't cry. The big bad monster's not gonna get you. But if you are naughty, it might get you soon. That's a good song. Yeah, see my fucking finger. Yeah. Fuck you, John Cena. Yeah, fuck you. I wish the electric would come back on. Just take a look at it outside, people. Look at it, nasty ass weather. Just storming. Storming away. Yeah. I'm so fucking scared. I'll come back on here soon on YouTube and make some more videos. I'll be making a shout out video soon. I'm gonna give 20 shout outs to 20 lucky YouTubers. So expect that. And I don't know. Things are starting to change in my life. But I can't tell you what's going on right now until much later. A few more videos I have in my life, and I don't know. Anyway, I shouldn't be talking about that. That's something to do in the future. But I love you all, and I want you all to support me. Pray for me. Pray for me. put your hands together and pray that I'll be okay. Hope this fucking storm doesn't hurt me. I'm so fucking scared. I love you guys. I'll talk to you all later. I'm Bubba's Hot Pocket, and I'll see you all next time. Goodbye, bitches. Yeah.